I believe the other details of yung subsequent venues and activities will be briefed to all of you. I understand there'll be a daily briefing at 2 o'clock. We apologize for not giving you the complete details of the process. You know, they were sort of hypothetical, but all the details now have to be worked out. And I have some questions, hopefully I can answer.
Kasi it would be a private funeral. It would be a private funeral, not a state funeral.
Not going to be a state funeral.
But there will be honor guards for him.
I understand there'll be honor guards at Lasal. I still have to be briefed on parts of the protocol. And I have to consult also the rest of my siblings.
Was it your mother's wish na private funeral?
She has, for all intents and purposes, been a private citizen after stepping down. And to a degree, we would want to spend as much time as possible as a family with her. And for the bulk naman, I guess, of our lives with both our parents, they have been public property. Not I personally. But number one, it's a sizable venue. The other option was the EDSA Shrine, which I understand is also offered. Yung size lang ng EDSA Shrine currently might lead to, parang compressing the people who would want to pay their last respect. And, for the security of those who will be going, and the generosity of the Christian Brothers, Lasal seemed to be a more appropriate venue. And yung current fight that my mother has also been helping us and leading us in, had a lot of instances that were experienced. That's the Lasal Green venue. And at the start, I was reminded that Namprels County in the slap election was also at Lasal Green. Para may beginning ka at may ending rin doon.
The Blackbird still there, your mother result of the election.
As you know, I come from the other school, so I'm not that familiar.
Yes, so kapit mo na ka ng offer funeral na pala.
Yeah, let me reiterate. No, I have not talked to anybody there, nor am I waiting to talk to anybody there. So, we want to do all our filial obligations to our mothers specifically. So, nakasabi sa taas pa rin natin. Talaga naman nakakapuno. Pati na yung get well, yung mga, ako talagang touched ako doon sa mga sulat ng mga kabataan na grade school. No? Yung, napakarami ng mga card na kanilang nilikas sa sariling kamay, yung isinulat sa sariling lang pag-iisip, yung disenyo sa kanilang galing, pati yung color scheme. Tapos ang mga taong talagang bahagyang-bahagya siguro makikilala nga nila. Kung sabi niyo grade school, yung mga nakita ko yung mga grade school. At syempre, meron mga way that talagang nakakatuwa ko iba na sa akin. Thrilled sila makakasunod sa mga ito rin. Hindi nga yung bumalik. Probably there will be some, no? But as of now, we're all fixed in trying to attend to all of the minute details, which would not have been done, or which we wouldn't have been able to do rather without the help of the organizing committee, which is part of my cousin Maria is also part of it, and others who have been trying to work all of this out from about a week or so ago. Sa living ba niya doon sa Cabinet Center, hindi yung plano ba niya, if I'm not mistaken, for the very time na together sila. And it was my mom who chose yung Manila Memorial at the time. I think my dad had a wish to be buried in a mountain in Tapang Tarlac. And my mom said, baka naman pwede madalaw at mas madalas. Dito na ako hindi susunod sa'yo. So they'll be there. Then two of my grandparents on their maternal side, my grandfather rather in particular, was very close to my dad. He's also nearby. So, parang they were, I believe, we're all together now. We'll be together. That's me now. parang process, series of times. As you know, she has been given morphine already, and before she was given morphine, we were told to say everything that we wanted to say already. Because after having the morphine in her system, she would be asleep most of the time and would not be in a position to respond. Yun ang yung touching doon kasi sa akin, sa, excuse me,